Login failed on Ally Mobile Investing Fix. You grab your phone, open the Ally Mobile app to check your investment balance, and login failed. It's annoying, but don't worry. The fix is straightforward once you know where to look. First, remember that Ally offers several services under one app: banking, auto, and investing. If your login is failing, it may be because you're entering credentials for a different Ally account type. Make sure you're using your Ally Invest username and password specifically. Next, re-enter your credentials carefully. Ally's security system is strict, and even one wrong character can cause a failure. If you recently changed your password, the app might still have your old one cached. Tap Forgot Password, reset it through your email, and then try logging in again. If that doesn't work, clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Ally Mobile, and tap Clear Data. On iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app. This ensures you're running the latest version with no corrupted files. Also, check for software updates. Ally updates its mobile app often, and outdated versions can stop working due to security protocol mismatches. Head to your app store and update both the app and your device's operating system. If you're using VPN, public Wi-Fi, or proxy, turn them off temporarily. Ally's fraud prevention system may block suspicious IP addresses. Switching to your mobile data or a private Wi-Fi network can solve the issue instantly. Another tip: if you've enabled biometric login like Face ID or fingerprint, disable and re-enable it after updating the app. Sometimes store tokens don't sync with new app versions, causing login failures. If none of these steps work, try logging into Ally Invest through your browser. If it works there, the app might be undergoing temporary maintenance. Wait a few minutes and retry. So next time your Ally Mobile Investing login fails, stay calm. Reset your password, clear your cache, update your app, and you'll be back tracking your portfolio in just a few minutes.